Ryan, and nice. Look at them. Facebook moment.
Yep.
Nice to meet you, and glad you're here with us. The steak is B-League. In the meantime, Ateneo messing up the serve. Eliza Valdez, her heave into the net.
And that's why we always like to invite people to come to the arena in San Juan so you can watch the games live, and you never know, you can be chosen as either the face of the day or the family.
Yeah, you will have a box of pizza. Box of pizza. Huh? Yung sinabing box lang. Lara!
From the back, finding that corner pocket.
Tan. Giselle. Inside. She loves doing that.
And what a time. It really caught the defense of Ateneo flat-footed.
Yep, very so. And Giselle has a way of making it look like it's an open set, then uhuhulog na.
Oh.
Ako si Tina Salak. Not that I can catch it, but I get a feeling I know when she does it. In the meantime, tumambling.
Well, 1 point lead for Ateneo.
Amutan tumbled over. Try doing that when you're older and you may not be able to
Stand up.
survive.
Oh.
Close to the net. Alanganin. Yonko is there. Amutan lifts it up. Long. Gusto na rin umuwi ng mga taga Loyola Heights.
Pero you gotta love it when, guest players, obviously, some of them not teammates like Dadang and C. When somebody makes an error, may respect kasi, diba?
Naman sobra.
When somebody creates an error, parang they smile at each other.
Wala, mali na. Shakey's, the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
And Yonko with a smart tip there.
18-17. Ako, sense ko rin out of shape a bit itong Lasal Dasmariñas. Not in, parang on summer break.
Oh, yeah.
And they're trying to play themselves into shape. Merong ganun eh. Lupit, malupit. Alam mo, ito debatable to. Mas malupit pumalo ito kesa kay Eliza. Yung baon na. Arguable yan. Of course, yung mga fans ni Eliza magwawala dyan, magagalit. Pero ang lupit pumalo.
Lupit din.
May tusok eh. Ultimate judge niyan, blockin natin. Para malaman natin kung gaano kalakas yung
Tapos
palo.
dapat may gauge, may ano. Oh.
Diba?
Tapos iilaw.
Tapos yung nakahiga, kumusta ka? Malakas ba yung palo? 1918.
When in doubt, when in need.
Go to the main.
Maybe.
Go
Eliza.
to the main source of points of the Lady Eagles for the last couple of years.
Good serve.
2-point lead. Lara. Fighter to Lara.
Oh, exactly. But we were saying it. We were saying it earlier.
Maaga lang binugbog ni Eliza pero ito na.
Mabangon.
Yan ang Patriot.
Yeah.
Talagang ginulpi ni Eliza sa serve kanina. May sipa talaga. Ganda. On target. Oh my God, what a set by Giselle Tan. Yung sipa, no? Parang ninja.
Ayun na yung sagot mo. Arguably eh.
Yeah, arguably.
Sabi na, take this.
See? Ngayon, sasagot naman si Maraginat. Daming weapons.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Nicely done by Lasal Dasmariñas. Look at the smile of Nuna. She'll take that home.
She will.
Wrap it up with a ribbon and make sure it's in her memory banks.
Keeps it in the closet.
Palo ako. Hindi na itaas ni Eliza Valdez. Kiliana has been steady. Eliza is blocked. Tan! Lara! Liza, tapusin mo na. Sabi ni Giselta.
Oh!
Out. Okay ba si Giselle?
Oh, sanay na yan.
Parang na right hook ni Pacquiao. Right
Kapul,
hook.
exactly.
Lip street ni Manny.
But she's so used to it,
Oo.
parang wala
Oo,
nangyari,
naman.
no?
Actually, sa volleyball player, normal yan eh.
Oo.
Parang mo kami ni Andre Mulya nun sa spiker step. Sapul si ano.
Well,
Warm up ako. Nag-stand up kami dyan. Sapul talaga. Okay lang kaya. That would have been different kung let's say buntis pa si Anon eh. No? Oh.
oo nga.
Dadang with a big smile. Kapit, sabi ni Dadang.
Yeah, this is the best, the closest they've got
Oh.
to.
Bakit natin bibigyan ng 3-0 ito? Laban. Dadang! Ay. Lakas. La Victoria is a tall libero for Ateneo.
But she's doing a decent job today.
Isang maganda rin tayo sa maganda pasa lang. Dalawa lang yan, mga ate ha. Si pagka tumaas pa rin mga isang po yung parang sa mga.
Tara guys, kain natin yan.
Sarap lang.
Tara, go tayo. Go tayo, kabawi tayo. Sige, ano mo? Hey! Dalawa lang yan, kami tayo.
23-21, Ateneo took the first two sets and hoping to wrap it all up here. Eliza started them off with some aces. Again, Lara, her favorite target. And a block will put them at match point.
Kaya Ateneo really manning the fort pretty well. Match point. What a great serve.
And Yonko doesn't want to go home yet.
But Yonko, you know, for all it's worth, she's been so consistent today. I mean, especially
Yeah, I agree.
this third set.
Eliza. Galayon. Fan. Paraguino!
That's all she wrote.
Sino mo eh. And the Lady Eagles win in straight sets against LaSalle Dasmariñas and now move up to 3-0 while LaSalle Dasma continues to look for its first win.
Yeah, but a decent, you know, even if it's a straight set loss for LaSalle Dasmariñas, they gave Ateneo, you know, they challenged Ateneo. It wasn't a walk in the park.
No?
And they should be happy with that, and they try to learn and move forward.
And now let's who's our best player?
No brainer. And she's with Ivy Remulla.
Go Ivy.
I'm sure na nahulaan nyo na rin lahat. Yes, I'm here with